The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer, which we can safely say is the best overall air fryer in 2025 and the winner for today. We're very impressed with the performance of this fryer. The device is very sleek with a stainless steel face and large, easy-to-read buttons. It includes 6 cooking settings, including frying, baking, reheating, dehydrating, and other programmable temperature and time settings. The dial makes selection easy, so you don't have to click the button 100 times to reach the desired temperature. The fryer baskets are square and large at 6 liters of capacity. This allows more cooking space than round fryers, making this fryer a better investment for your home. The removable tray has a thin refractive handle that makes it easy to remove but stays flat so it doesn't get in the way of the cooking area. We like the Vortex Plus's wide, square 6-quart base, which can hold batches of fries or wings without overcrowding. Air circulation and strength gave the best results for almost every food that users tried. It's quite enough to work in a busy kitchen, and the non-stick interior makes cleaning easy. Over the long term, we found this model to be very consistent and accurate. It may not create as much browning as more powerful machines, but it can cook salmon and pork evenly every time without any rubbery or raw surfaces. Not surprisingly, this is also one of the top-rated air fryers by thousands of customers. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.